Hi, I'm Bob from Plastic Pipe Shop, and we're going to have a look at using bends rather than using elbows in a system, and when you might use either type. So an elbow is a nice sharp angle on the inside, so it's an elbow shape. It's the same as if you bend your elbow up, it's a nice sharp angle on the inside, and a bend is a gradual curve. So when might we use this and when might we use this? Well, ideally we use elbows where we can. It keeps our system very compact, it makes it much easier to install, it makes it a much neater and tighter system. However, there's quite a lot of turbulence as the water flows into the elbow, hits the back wall of the elbow, gets a load of turbulence and then comes shooting out the bottom of the elbow. And that takes quite a bit of energy out of the water, which reduces the amount of flow which we're going to get at the end of our system. Whereas with a bend, our water enters into the bend and it's a much more gradual turn on the bend. Therefore, less energy is taken out of the water, so we're going to get more water out of our system at the far end. If you look at the size of them, these are both the same sizes. These are both 63 millimeters, and actually this is a much bigger fitting than this. And you imagine coming off a system with an elbow this way and then an elbow this way, it's only taking up this space. If we try and do that with a bend coming one way and a bend going the other way, it all of a sudden starts to become quite a big, leggy, gangly system that we've got that needs lots of supporting everywhere. That's why it's always a compromise between do we use elbows or do we use bends. On small systems, compact systems where there's pumps involved and things like that, and there's not too many 90-degree elbows or 90-degree bends required, I would always use elbows. If it's a big system where I've got loads of space, maybe it's a ring main which is going round somewhere, I would always use bends. Okay, because then we've got a lot of space to play with our bends. These also come in 45 degrees and other angles as well. So big system, use bends. Small, neat, compact, tight system, use elbows. Thanks for watching. Bye.